Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Christmas fuse beads is probably one of the most delightful and creative ways to add a personal touch to your holiday decorations, offering endless possibilities for crafting unique ornaments, festive gifts, and charming winter scenes that truly capture the spirit of the season, making it an ideal activity for families and crafters of all ages looking to infuse their celebrations with handmade warmth and joy. Number 5. Perler 80 to 54,345 Harry Potter Fuse Bead Kit. Discover the magic of creativity with this fantastic Harry Potter Fuse Bead Kit. It brings the wizarding world right to your fingertips. This set includes over 4,000 themed fuse beads, a pegboard, ironing paper, and a detailed pattern sheet. Everything is provided to start your crafting journey. With 19 unique Harry Potter patterns, you can bring your favorite witches and wizards to life. Let your imagination soar as you recreate beloved characters. Designed for ages 12 and up, it offers a wonderful way to express your artistic side. Just remember, an adult should handle the ironing process. Looking for a unique present? This kit makes an ideal gift for any Harry Potter enthusiast. They will surely appreciate the opportunity to create their own wizarding art. Don't stop at the included patterns. You can reuse the pegboard and ironing paper for countless other personalized Perler projects. The creative possibilities are endless. What we like? This magical kit brings the wizarding world to life with an extensive collection. If you're a huge Harry Potter fan looking for a large, themed project, this is your perfect match. Its numerous patterns offer endless creative possibilities for dedicated enthusiasts. What people say. Number 4. Perler Mandalorian Baby Yoda Mini Fuse Bead Kit. This amazing kit provides everything you need to start creating. It includes 227 vibrant beads, a sturdy pegboard, and clear instructions. You'll also find a detailed pattern and essential ironing paper. With these, you can easily complete one fantastic Perler pattern. It's a fantastic activity for kids, allowing your little one to bring Baby Yoda from Disney's The Mandalorian to life. They'll love seeing their creation take shape. Looking for a thoughtful present? This kit makes a wonderful little gift. It's ideal for an Easter basket or a Christmas stocking. Designed for children aged 6 and up, it offers hours of engaging fun. Everyone can enjoy the creative process and the joy of making something unique. What we like? This adorable mini kit is perfect for quick crafting fun. If you're looking for a small, themed gift or a stocking stuffer, this one is ideal. Its simple design makes it great for younger fans to create their favorite character. What people say. Number 3. Perler 3D Holiday Wreath Fuse Bead Craft Kit. Spread holiday cheer with this fun and festive 3D wreath. It's perfect for displaying on your door or wall, adding a touch of Christmas magic to any space. This amazing kit contains 4,000 vibrant beads, a super pegboard, a detailed pattern sheet with instructions, and essential ironing paper. You'll have all the supplies required to bring your festive vision to life. It's a wonderful Christmas craft for everyone to enjoy together. Each family member can work on a different holiday icon, which then easily attaches to the wreath for a beautiful dimensional effect. Designed for ages 6 and up, this craft provides engaging fun. Adult supervision for ironing is required. Its beads are made from LDPE, a food-grade plastic free of harmful chemicals, ensuring a safe crafting experience. Don't forget to reuse the included super pegboard and ironing paper. They are perfect for all your other fuse bead patterns, making this kit an eco-friendly choice for endless creativity. What we like? Create a stunning festive display with this unique 3D wreath kit. If you want a collaborative holiday project for the whole family, this is an excellent choice. Its dimensional effect will add a special touch to your seasonal decor. What people say. Number 2. Perler 3D Christmas Tree Fuse Bead Craft Kit. This kit comes packed with everything you need to get started. It includes 2,000 colorful beads, a large star pegboard, a bead stem, and a pattern sheet with clear instructions. Ironing paper is also provided to help you complete your creation. Embrace the holiday spirit with this unique craft. It allows you to create a beautiful 3D Christmas tree, perfect for decorating your home. Display it proudly on your mantelpiece or any festive spot. With easy-to-follow patterns and illustrated assembly instructions, creating this layered star-shaped tree is a breeze. It's a fantastic fuse bead set that both kids and adults can enjoy. Make it a fun family Christmas craft tradition. This fuse bead kit is designed for ages 6 and up, ensuring a safe and engaging activity. The beads are made from LDPE, a food-grade plastic free of harmful chemicals. Remember, an adult should handle the ironing process. The fun doesn't stop with just one project. The included pegboard and ironing paper are completely reusable. You can use them again and again for countless other fuse bead crafts, extending your creative possibilities. What we like? Build a charming 3D Christmas tree with this engaging kit. If you're looking for a unique holiday centerpiece that's fun to assemble, this one stands out. Its layered design makes for a delightful and impressive finished piece. What people say. Number 1. AUGSUN Christmas Fuse Beads Kit. Discover the ultimate crafting experience with this festive kit. It includes over 5,100 beads in 24 vibrant colors, along with 12 unique Christmas patterns and all the accessories needed for endless fun. Crafted from high-quality, durable plastic, these 5mm fuse beads are completely safe for children. You can rest assured knowing their creations will last, providing lasting joy and artistic expression. This kit features 12 delightful Christmas patterns like Santa and snowmen, guiding young artists. Children can follow these designs or let their imagination soar, fostering creativity and fine motor skills. Spend quality time together, away from screens, creating beautiful Christmas art. This activity enhances children's hands-on skills, color recognition, and critical thinking, making holiday memories truly special. Packaged in a beautiful gift box, it's an ideal present for creative boys and girls aged 5 to 8. Give them the gift of endless artistic possibilities this Christmas, New Year, or for any special occasion. What we like? This comprehensive set offers a fantastic variety of colors and patterns. If you need an all-in-one Christmas gift with plenty of accessories, this kit is a superb option. It provides everything needed for hours of creative holiday fun. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.